Namaste everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in our today's topic, the topic would be how to grow your business and your own personal brand by the use of superpower social media. And we have with us our very learned person, Dr. C.A. Rajkumar Adhukia ji, who is a thought leader, who is a global life and transformation business guru. He has authored more than 300 plus books. I think this is an inspiration to us. And his mission is to transform the CA profession by making every citizen economically powerful and thereby making India the most powerful nation of the world. So, welcome to our channel, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And as the topic states, today's topic, like everybody wants to know from you, what are your thought process and how can we grow our business and profession and our personal branding by the use of social media?
Thank you, Krishna ji. This is a very good topic. See, anything comes into existence from our thought, from our mind. So we will grow our business. We will grow our professional practice. We will grow our brand first in our mind, our thought. So I call myself Amitabh Bachchan of the profession. So I'm not in Bollywood or Hollywood, but I'm in the profession where my aura is that, with all humbleness. Similarly, while growing business or growing practice, universe has given us a powerful tool which yourself and myself we are currently using, and that is social media. Our globe population is 800 crores. So it includes child, teenagers, senior citizens, grown up. 500 crore, 60% of that population uses, and when we say social media platform, it is not only Facebook and LinkedIn. Social media platform is much more than that. It includes Instagram, it includes Twitter, it includes YouTube channel, it includes podcast, it includes blog, it includes website, it includes presence on online platform, it includes mass emailing through flyers. So the starting point in any business, so say I want to start selling a product, any person grows in business or in practice, the brand, I would say, is many other factors. The personality of a person is speaking, writing. But brand here, we are talking of business and profession. So one will be specialized in that area, which one will become slowly. And then using social media. So the starting point is making some document for social media use. So that document, there is a easiest software platform, which is Canva. It is a free graphic designing platform. Then there are advanced versions, Trello and others. But Canva is, one has to spend maybe 5 hours to 7 hours, and one will become a super expert to create a good graphic design, and that will help us for social greetings, like yesterday we had a friendship day, or we have 15th August Independence Day. So if I'm a say selling refrigerator. I'm selling X brand of a refrigerator. So what I will be doing, I'll be putting one feature of this unique refrigerator. First, I have to believe in my mind that this I can sell to each household. I will decide a territory in a particular city, Mumbai, Maharashtra, or the whole of India. And then I'll decide the mode of distribution, the distributors state-wise, and things like that. I'll I can also use e-commerce platform. E-commerce is just like we have a physical commerce. There is a shop or a shopping mall. So e-commerce is electronic commerce where the purchase order comes online, sales happens online. Online means sales will be booked online, and it will be delivered through Amazon or other distribution channel. If it is a say food items, maybe Swiggy and Zomato and things like that. Similarly, in a professional practice, I can render my services online. So it may be a cyber security consultancy, it may be forensic consultancy, it may be creating an internal control framework for an organization consultancy. So all this can be, so what I will be doing. So say for example, I am taking an example of a real estate consultancy. So one day I'll make a flyer who should invest in real estate. So the ticket size is a reasonable size. It may be depending on city 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore. Second day, I will say in whose name it should be taken. If it is to be for the purpose of sale, then it is better to take in the name of private limited or in the name of limited liability partnership. So the buyer may be introduced as a director and shareholder in a private limited company or in a LLP as a partner, and then selling partners get retired or selling owners sell the shares to the buying owner. Third day, I will talk about capital gain taxation. Fourth day, I will talk about live and license. Fifth day, I may talk about stamp duty impact. So once I travel on that road, my mind, the God has given us a super computer which automatically gives ideas. There is a mental faculty called imagination. So we will imagine and we will get an idea. And then I'll create every day a YouTube video like what Krishna and myself we are creating for the growth strategy. So this way, one can start speaking, becoming a thought leader, like a brand. So there are Rotary clubs, there are other social platforms, community organizations. We can pick up a newspaper or a magazines. So there can be an article on our product or our services. So this way we can reach out to the desired segment by our mind, whether I want to be a city expert, state expert, national expert.
Okay, got it, sir. Got it. So, if I put it in a nutshell, what you meant is like first we need to identify that what is my target segment, whether my target segment is within that city, within that country, or globally. First, I need to find out that, and then I need to work towards making my global presence in electronic or virtual mode and creating more and more of graphic designs or graphic maybe flyers by the use of the easiest tool which we are using right now as Canva, and creating more and more flyers and or also writing some articles on various platforms like newspapers or any other community, or even with ICI we have lot of options of sharing articles on our ebooks, e-magazines coming up for members and students. So there are various ways where we can show our global presence in social media platform to grow our business, and this will definitely help in personal brand along with the business growth. So, did I miss
If I
anything,
can
sir?
summarize, Krishna, if I can
Yeah,
summarize, you rightly said the product or a service, but I would say the first thought.
right.
Second is a belief.
Yeah,
Third
true.
is a selection of a product or a service.
Hmm.
Then fourth is use of social media. Fifth is again very important, persistence.
Yeah,
I have to
absolutely.
do this, for a month or for 2 months, and then I have to keep on doing, irrespective of how much the business has expanded or practice is expanded. I should have a separate segment called a growth department.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Got it. Very true. Very true. Thank you so much, sir. Anything else you would want to add to this, or any suggestion if you have for members?
I would request members to go all out when you are thinking, don't put any boundary and reach out to us. We want to do a hand holding for them in their chosen areas. But English language, the 26 alphabets starts with alphabet A. Action, action, action is to be taken by the viewer. The person who want to achieve growth has to take action. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely, sir. Thank you so much. So I think all the viewers, all the members, we request you, as sir said, please the letters start with A. Please take action after watching the video. Take action on your potential area, and do reach out to us if you want any support or any help. We are just a call away. And do subscribe and like our channel, the video, and do share your feedback also about the videos, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.